The rise of Toyota, a global automotive powerhouse, is a compelling story of innovation, resilience, and long-term vision. Toyota Motor Corporation was founded in 1937 by Kiichiro Toyota as a spin-off from his father Sakichi Toyoda's company, Toyota Industries, which originally specialized in textile manufacturing. The company's journey from a small domestic player in Japan to one of the largest car manufacturers in the world is characterized by strategic decision-making, technological advancements, and the Toyota Production System. Kiichiro Toyoda's vision for entering the automotive industry was inspired by his travels to Europe and the US, where he observed the growth of car manufacturing. Toyota initially started with the development of its first passenger car, the Toyota AA, in 1936. However, World War II interrupted production, and the company's focus shifted toward military vehicles for the Japanese government. Following the war, Japan's economy was in ruins, and Toyota faced financial difficulties. In 1949, the company experienced a significant crisis, nearly going bankrupt due to inflation and labor strikes. However, a crucial loan from the Japanese government helped Toyota survive. During this period, Toyota realized that improving production efficiency and reducing waste were key to its success. In the early 1950s, Toyota's fortunes began to improve with the introduction of the Toyota Production System, also known as TPS, a revolutionary manufacturing philosophy developed by Taiichi Ohno and Eiji Toyoda. TPS was based on the principles of lean manufacturing, emphasizing efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness. It introduced concepts like just-in-time (JIT) production, where materials are delivered only when needed, and Jidoka or automation with a human touch, which allowed machines to stop automatically when a defect was detected. The TPS not only reduced waste but also increased productivity and quality, giving Toyota a significant edge over competitors. This system became the backbone of Toyota's manufacturing process and was later adopted by many companies worldwide. In the 1950s, Toyota began exporting vehicles to the US, with its first attempt being the Toyopet Crown in 1957. The vehicle, however, failed due to its unsuitability for American roads and tastes. Learning from its mistakes, Toyota introduced the Toyota Corona in the 1960s, a car that was better aligned with the needs of American consumers. This marked the beginning of Toyota's successful entry into the American market. Throughout the 1960s and 1970s, Toyota expanded its global presence by establishing manufacturing plants in different countries and increasing exports. The oil crisis of 1973 was a turning point for Toyota, as the demand for fuel-efficient cars surged. Toyota's small, economical cars like the Corolla gained popularity worldwide, especially in markets like the US, where consumers were looking for alternatives to fuel-guzzling domestic vehicles. As Toyota grew, it continued to innovate. In 1982, the company merged its sales and production organizations to streamline operations. In 1984, it formed a joint venture with General Motors called New United Motor Manufacturing Incorporated, which allowed Toyota to learn more about the American market and manufacturing processes while sharing its own production methods with GM. In the late 1980s, Toyota diversified its product lineup and entered the luxury car market with the launch of the Lexus brand in 1989. Lexus quickly established itself as a leader in luxury vehicles, known for quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. One of Toyota's most significant contributions to the automotive industry was the development of hybrid technology. In 1997, Toyota launched the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle. The Prius combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor, significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The success of the Prius positioned Toyota as a leader in environmentally friendly vehicles and reinforced the company's commitment to sustainability. Toyota faced several challenges in the 21st century, including increased competition, economic downturns, and the recall crisis of 2009 to 2010. The recall crisis, involving millions of vehicles due to issues with unintended acceleration, damaged the company's reputation. However, Toyota responded by improving quality control, enhancing safety features, and rebuilding trust with consumers. Despite these challenges, Toyota remained resilient and continued to innovate. It embraced new technologies such as electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel cells, and autonomous driving, while maintaining its leadership in hybrid technology. The company also expanded into new markets, including emerging economies in Asia and Africa, solidifying its position as a global leader. Today, Toyota is one of the largest and most successful car manufacturers in the world, producing millions of vehicles annually. The company operates manufacturing plants in various countries and has a diverse product portfolio that includes passenger cars, trucks, SUVs, hybrids, and electric vehicles. Toyota's success is built on its commitment to quality, innovation, and efficiency, with the Toyota Production System remaining at the core of its operations. Toyota's vision for the future includes a focus on sustainability and mobility solutions. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce carbon emissions and has invested heavily in research and development for electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles. Toyota's rise from humble beginnings to a global automotive giant is a testament to its ability to adapt, innovate, and lead in an ever-changing industry.